Hello everyone, I just wanted to go over this Black & Decker portable air conditioner manual that I found here. Um, if you have some of these error codes, this video might help you out. Also with some cooling issues. Uh, let's go through this. And then I'll go back through it nice and slow, and you can pause this video. If this helps, please give me a thumbs up and help other people find this video. Okay, we'll just start from the top here and go through it. Maybe it's not cooling enough, and it could be that the overflow tray is full with condensation. That can do it. The other issue I've found with air conditioners, not this one specifically, but what happens is the hose in the rear comes undone, or it gets a gap, and and then it starts sucking some of the hot exhaust air from here, from this area, where it blows it outward through the window. What happens is it starts leaking into the room. Now you're getting hot air in the room, and then it starts to recirculate and suck it back in, and now the air that's coming out isn't as hot. So what I do is I just tape it up real good, and that fixes the issue, and you immediately get a lot cooler air and not as much condensation. And it's this hose right here. Again, I don't know if this one does that, but there's some other models that do that. So you want to just make sure that's screwed in there good. And let's go through this. Looks like there's a seal. Okay. About 12 to 36 inches of space from the wall with window for. Okay, so you don't want it too close to the wall. Keep it, a couple feet away from the wall. Okay, you might need these tools. This is how you do it. You just open the window, stuff it in there, close the window, and then you can pull this thing up and close the window. It's this piece right here. Foam seal. Okay, you want to use your foam seal there for sure. Yeah, I didn't do that either. That way you get a nice seal here and there's no bugs and stuff coming in. You can even buy some more of this stuff at the hardware store. It's just sticky on one side, you just slap it on there. If you have this design, you put it on the bottom. If it's this design, you put it on this side. I would put it on both sides. This is the way you put it together. This piece screws on there. Screw that on there. Oh, there's an insert. This insert goes onto there, snaps in, then pops into this piece that goes out the window. Then this side, you twist it and it locks in. That's smart. It's a good design. Don't hook it up like this. Too many kinks, looks like. Exhaust hose can be compressed or extended moderately, but it is desirable to keep the length to a minimum. Also, make sure that the hose does not have any sharp bends. It's pretty obvious. You pretty much just want it short and straight to get that hot air out as soon as possible. Otherwise, this thing's working a lot harder and creating a lot more heat. Okay, fan. This is increase temperature and time, decrease, and mode selection. And this is another thing you want to look out for is look and see which mode it's on. Make sure it's on AC. If it's just on fan, the compressor's not on. If you want your AC on, there's most likely going to be an indicator light here on each one of these. This is for like dehumidify, this is just fan, and this is AC. Should have your light on here. Display area shows your temperature. Dehumidify. I'll just scroll through the rest of this. Looks like, and a lot of times if the AC is on one setting and then you put the remote on another setting, it doesn't sync properly, so you gotta maybe just get up and go look at the AC and make sure it's still on the setting that you want it on. Okay. Go through this here. You can pause this video if you need to. Here's some codes. The appliance has a self-diagnosis system to identify a number of malfunctions. Error messages are displayed on the appliance. If displayed LT, what should you do? The appliance is fitted with a frost protection device to avoid excessive formation of ice. The appliance starts up again automatically when the defrosting process is complete. Okay, well, if you see this, it'll automatically start up again once the frost is defrosted. Probe failure. If this is displayed, contact your local authorized service. Okay, sensor damage. That's probably like a temperature sensor or something. Then you're going to want to contact Black & Decker. Full tank. Okay, this is condensation. Empty the internal safety tank. Follow the instructions in the end of this section operation paragraph. Safety tank full FT. I noticed on mine it almost never gets. I've never had to really drain it more than just barely, maybe like an eighth of an inch in the bottom. But it doesn't get very muggy here, so it just depends on your conditions. Here's the drain in the back, you just unscrew it, looks like. Or, yeah, the cap, and then there's this piece. You can use a pan or a hose. Like I said, there shouldn't be much in there. Oh, here's your filter. It's got a handle here. So just pull it this way, pop it out. There's a little filters that you can, usually you can clean these with vacuum cleaners, warm water works the best, and maybe a little soap, just clean it up, and then it can breathe again. These do get dirty really fast, and so does all the little fades. You don't want to bend those, but maybe blow them out with some nut duster or something, or an air compressor if you got it. Mainly just clean the little screen. Not cool enough. Okay. Make sure the windows or doors in the room are not closed. Yeah, otherwise the hot air is not escaping. Air filter can be dirty. There's a microprocessor. Control delays the compressor from operating until 3 minutes have passed. Okay, well if it overheats, then it's going to delay. If it's vibrating a lot, it's not level. Yeah, you should keep it level. Yeah, these things operate on like refrigerant stuff too, so you definitely want it level. stuff. That's pretty much it. Hope this helps.